Hi guys, today you are watching Stay Clay Art Story Time. You are watching different colors clay. You are watching a rainbow shaped multicolor clay balls. You are watching clay grapes and carrots. You are watching a bunch of the grapes model. You are watching the pear and balls clay made. You are watching the different cartoon characters made with the clay. You are watching the frog shaped and the different crafts. You are watching two cartoon characters made with the clay. You are watching a fruit made with the clay. You are watching the uh, some item made with the clay. You are watching watermelon shaped made with clay. You are watching the potatoes and the beer made with the clay. You are watching watermelon and carrot and tomato. You are watching the heart shape and cow shaped made with the clay. You are watching the different vegetables made with the clay cracking. You are watching the watermelon and rainbow clay. You are watching the black color clay balls set. You are watching the ice cream shaped mm, clay. You are watching the different colors clay balls and balls cube. You are watching the spinner made with clay. You are watching the different red, orange, yellow, green, blue color clay balls. You are watching the fruit of watermelon. You are watching the ice creams made with the clay. You are watching some mm, items. You are watching the cow shaped made with clay. You are watching the heart shape and panda made with the clay. You are watching the crackers, biscuits, heart shape, different color. You are watching the different colors mm, made with the clay. You are watching the crackers made with clay. You are watching the handbag, a small cute handbag made with the clay. You are watching two cartoon characters made with clay. You are watching the pizza beautiful